Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Miami University Bannerweb account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Miami University Bannerweb account, what you can do is just open up a browser. After opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for Miami University Login Bannerweb. And after searching for that option, you will come up to this page where you can tap on this first option which says Bannerweb. After tapping on Bannerweb, now you have to tap on this first option which is login to Bannerweb over secure connection. And after tapping on that, now you have to enter your unique ID and then MUNET password. So after entering your details, just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Miami University Bannerweb account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.